Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be working on the M4A2 Sherman, and this video will apply to a lot of different versions of the Sherman because the assembly is the same for all the different versions. So what we're going to be doing is we have the regular Sherman M4A2 75 turret there, and then we have the 105 turret. I went ahead and pre-assembled this because the assembly is the same, and then this Zippo, I believe it is the Zippo turret there, and then we have the deep water hull. That'll be for a specific listing, but using the same assembly for all of this. And then over here we're gonna have the whiz bang turret. So let's go ahead and start to get the body glued together. I know that I already glued together this hole, but let's go and get this stuff done. Alright, so clip away these sprues and such. Indeed. So getting all that done. Now with this, be careful and clip away that little gun there. Clip away that. Clip away that. Clip, and then clean up the sprue there. So we've cleaned up that for the gun. For this main part of the tank, there's that, and then clean up that right there. Done. Next, there's this sprue cut there, and then clean up that sprue mark right there. So at this point, we're done with the clipping away for the body of this tank and the turret. Let's start to glue this together. So you want to put this piece like that. Yeah. So go ahead and put some glue there, there. Very good. Be careful. Try to get this in the correct way. And put that in the center there. All right, there we go. There it is in the center. So there's that. Very good. So that piece, that's the way that should look. And here we go. Put a little glue there. And put this piece like that. All right, so that's done. While that is all gluing together, let's work on this turret here. And so there's this. You can just glue that together like so. That's all good in that way. Now let's put on the tracks. We'll just put some glue here and there. And let's put some like that. So the tank is done. This little thing is an optional stowage or whatever you could put there. Look at pictures for reference. There's that, and then that's that turret. And here's the 105 turret. Here's the Zippo turret. So yeah, let's put on 105 for now. Very good. And then you have this turret there, the deep water stuff. Now, last but not least is the whiz bang. So let's start to work on that. And I believe the whiz bang turret is a 75, just like that turret. So we got the gun done, but we're not done yet. We have these sprues to work on. So now we're done clipping away. Let's start to glue this together. Excellent. That looks good. Now let's get this whiz bang glued together. So of course that goes like that. And this piece goes like that. So go ahead and put a little glue here, here, and there. Let's get this piece glued together, just like that. Alright, so I'm just going to go like this here, and I'm going to put a bunch of glue here and here. And then let's put this like that. And then let's put this like this. You might want to let that dry for a bit, but of course, if you wish, you can try. Let's try. Put a little glue there and there, and some glue there. And now let's carefully see if we can manage. So that actually glued well. So there's the whiz bang. I don't want to turn it over quite yet. I'm going to let it dry. Of course, you can add right there the stowage if you wish. So if possible, let's turn it over and see if it glued. Very good, there it is. So thank you so much for watching. These are available at miniaturetanks.com and they're different versions. Look for the listings and this assembly video will be good for all. Thank you for watching.